vlogger behind Life Out of Camo. Thanks so much for joining me for another Stitch Fix reveal. Are you ready to see what's in the box? Me too. Let's get to it. Kimberly sent a great variety for this spring box. A pair of released hem jeans, another jumpsuit, guys, if you remember fix number 60, this beautiful lavender top, a pink blazer, and dressy black lace top. Can't wait to try all of this on for you and get your feedback. If you remember from fix number 60, this is almost an exact duplicate of the jumpsuit that Kimberly sent, minus the pattern, which I think is what I said about 100 times. If only it was plain navy or plain black, I would keep it. Voila, Kimberly heard, she listened, and she delivered. This is the Market and Spruce ash knit jumpsuit in plain navy. The waistband is a little cinched here, a sweet keyhole detail in the front and the back, just very small and subtle. Pockets, the stretch to this knit material is so fabulous. I actually feel like I'm wearing pajamas. This would be awesome date night, cruise wear, I think even professional wear, and I'll show you how. To wear a jumpsuit at work, all you gotta do is throw a blush blazer over the top. This Tahari Iona double-breasted blazer has super shiny buttons, double pockets here, the notched collar, feels like it has some shoulder pads in there, adding a little bit of squareness to it. It's very soft and silky feeling. This is the most expensive item in the box. I was specifically asking her for a blush raincoat or trench coat. This is what she found to meet that request for now, but she did say she's going to keep an eye out for a trench coat, so I'm going to hold out for that because this is so expensive. I really don't have a cause to wear it, so it's not super functional for me, but it is definitely a way to add a little touch of business formality to what's otherwise a super fun, trendy jumpsuit. The other detail that I absolutely love about this jumpsuit is the wide leg. Just makes them really fun, feels super free, light and airy. I love the wide legs on this ash knit jumpsuit. Kimberly was pulling straight from my Pinterest board when she put these Pistola Westland distressed released hem skinny jeans into my fix. The Pistolas are a brand I've heard of before, but I don't have any in my closet currently. I really love the look of that released hem. I love that band of color down there. It's something a little different. The distressing, I think, is just a little much for me. I love these little guys. I love that little touch of distressing, but this one is just a bit too big. And I think they're also just a tad too low of a rise. I can feel myself already wanting to pull them up, and I've only had them on for a couple minutes. On top, this is 41 Hawthorne Jared lace detail cap sleeve blouse. It's a pretty dressy option, as you can tell, with the black and the lace inset. The lace continues out to make that cap sleeve. It's a bit more of a jagged lace. This lace inset is really beautiful. I love how it kind of makes that heart shape in the front. It continues all around the back. This would also make for a really professional pairing with slacks and the Tahari blazer on top. If you are a fan of black and lace and a little edgy detail, you'll really like the 41 Hawthorne Jared lace detail cap sleeve blouse. Ooh, you guys, this might be my favorite piece in the whole fix. It's called the Clearwater Mixed Material Blouse. Another keyhole detail. It's a light, really blousy, almost like a little bubble effect with this faux wrap underneath is a second layer. It just adds coverage for the front. And can you see this sweet bow detail on the back. Oh, I love it. This beautiful lilac ribbon trims the neck and goes all the way back to the bow that you can tie. Don't you know how hard it is to tie a bow behind your head, friends? I'm gonna have to look up some YouTube tutorials on bow tying to make a really pretty one back there. And check out this ironing. On the actual style card for this top, it's a pink trench coat. I will have to be requesting that piece. I'm absolutely loving the spring fix that Kimberly sent. I think I will be keeping the Clearwater mixed material blouse and the ash knit jumpsuit. What would you keep? I want to hear all your feedback. I love it when you leave comments. And of course, I have the $25 Stitch Fix credit waiting for you in this and every other one of my Stitch Fix posts on lifeoutofcamo.com. You can use that $25 credit for your first fix. So use it for yourself or send it to your bestie and get them on the Stitch Fix obsession with you. That's it for fix number 61, friends. I'll see you for the next fix.